Now we can stake more cryptos in Luno. Previously, and starting with this year, we can stake Ethereum in our Luno wallet. Now there's another crypto that we can stake. So that means we can stake Ethereum and this new crypto, and that is the Cardano or ADA crypto coin. I did a tutorial video on how to stake Ethereum in Luno wallet. I'll put the link and the video above and in the description below. But in today's video, we're going to focus on Cardano, or also known as ADA. We're going to walk through how to set up your ADA staking wallet, and then how to stake some ADA in your ADA staking wallet. So before we continue, if you're new to staking, it's good to know what is staking in crypto and investing. But if you already know what is staking, you can jump straight to the walkthrough tutorial by going to the timestamp and timeline below. Before we continue, this is not investment and not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research and invest at your own risk. Before we continue, if you're looking for home decor and home improvement items, we have things you need to improve, beautify and style your living room, dining room, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, study room, guest room, office, balcony, garden and porch. So shop now at IpropFans.com/shop. You can also find the link below and in the description as well. So I asked our friend ChatGPT, explain to me what is crypto staking as though I am a 5-year-old. So ChatGPT says, alright, imagine you have a shiny coin like a special sticker that you really like. Crypto staking is like putting that shiny sticker in a special box and leaving it there for a while. But here's the fun part. While your sticker is in that box, it helps the people who run the sticker factory to make more stickers. In return for letting your sticker stay in the box and help make more stickers, you get some extra stickers as a reward. So crypto staking is like putting your shiny sticker to work and getting more stickers as a thank you for helping out. But really, what is the real meaning of crypto staking? So in a nutshell here, crypto staking is when people hold on to their cryptocurrency in a special wallet to help keep the network secure and operational, typically by validating transactions or creating new blocks depending on the consensus mechanism used by the cryptocurrency, like proof of stake. In exchange for staking their coins, these participants receive rewards in the form of additional coins, which are proportional to the amount they stake and the duration they hold their stake. It's a way for cryptocurrency holders to actively participate in the network's operation and governance while earning rewards for their contribution. So in your Luno wallet, you have seen this message: Cardano staking now available through Luno. Earn annual crypto rewards of up to 3% when you stake Cardano through Luno. Okay, got it. Then you'll be asked which coin do you want to earn with. So here there's Ethereum and Cardano. In this video, we're going to tap Cardano. Then get ADA rewards. Earn rewards from your crypto with Luno staking service. Staking simply means putting your coin aside for a period of time and getting rewarded in Cardano. The longer you stake, the more you earn by accumulating your rewards. Then tap next. Then here there's some more staking info. So Luno will automatically create your staking wallet. Then we have here some of the numbers. The annual reward percentage is up to 3.3%. The reward interval is every 5 days. The estimated first reward is within 14 days. The reward destination will be to your ADA staking wallet. Then the estimated time frame to unstake is instant. Now with all this information, we're going to proceed. So tap next, then put in the amount of ADA that you want to stake. So you need to have some ADA in your ADA wallet before you can stake any ADA or Cardano in your ADA staking wallet. For this tutorial, I'm going to stake 50 ADA. For you, if you're watching this after you have put in the amount that you want to stake, tap the blue button, Review Stake, which is behind this pop-up. Then you'll see this pop-up. So apparently there's a queue to stake ADA. As it says here, there is a 9 days waiting period before your stake request is activated. Anyway, despite the waiting period, in this video I'm going to continue. Then the next screen, there is some acknowledgement here. I acknowledge that while my ADA is staked, it can't be used for anything else. I understand that staking ADA involves some potential risk. So check this part and then tap Stake Now. So your ADA is now in the staking queue. You will receive your new reward within 14 days. While you wait, your funds can't be used for anything else. So I did all this on the 26th of February.
Much later.
Then now, today on 6th of March, I received this email from Luno that my 50 ADA has been staked and I will start earning up to 3.3% per year on this stake amount. You receive your first reward within 5 days, followed by rewards every 5 days. Please note that this time is dependent on the staking network and may take longer. So now I want to view my staking wallet, my ADA staking wallet. In the Luno wallet, in the Wallets tab, scroll down to Stake Balance, look for ADA and then tap it. Then here in your ADA staking wallet, you should see your balance, rewards in March, total rewards earned, and how much you have staked and earned for the month. And that is if you stake your ADA in March. And when I say stake, that means your staking was activated and approved by Luno, and the ADA was successfully transferred from your ADA wallet to your ADA staking wallet. So we see here I've just staked my ADA. There are no rewards. The rewards is 0. Even though I've staked 50 ADA, I've yet to receive my first ADA staking reward. So I'll do an update video on my ADA staking maybe after 1 week or maybe after 1 month. So what you can do is to hit the subscribe button below to stay notified and updated on the future video. And if you haven't signed up for a Luno account, you can use my referral link and the code below. If you sign up, deposit, and buy crypto in the crypto exchange in Luno, the crypto can be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin Cash, or any other crypto in Luno. And the crypto that you buy have to be 250 ringgit worth of crypto. You get 75 ringgit worth of Bitcoin in your Luno wallet as a reward. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found today's video helpful. See you in the next video.